You know you have what you need somewhere, but finding it feels like a treasure hunt. Well, today I'm sharing 25 things you should organize in clear containers to create a beautiful, functional home that is easier to maintain. Now, as a professional organizer, clear containers are one of my favorites. Now, not for every single thing, but clear containers are great when you want to see what you have and you know you'll forget if you don't have a clear container. So, it allows you to see what you own, reduce duplication purchases, and make putting things away much easier. Now, stay until the end because I also share common mistakes people make when using clear containers and when they are not the best solutions. Now, before we get started, make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future organizing tips. And if you think someone else can use this information, share it with them. So let's get organized. Why clear containers work. Clear containers remove the guesswork. Instead of opening multiple bins to find what you need, you can quickly see what's inside. They work especially well for busy families, senior citizens, ADHD households, children, shared spaces. Visibility helps create better habits because everyone can easily see where the items belong as well. Now, here are some pantries that could use some pantry items that could use some clear bins. Pasta, rice, flour, sugar, all those baking supplies, snack packs, crackers, granola bars. I mean, you want to know when you're running low and you don't want to have so much in your pantry that you don't have room for all of your pantry essentials. Clear containers tell you exactly how much you have so that you can go purchase more when you're running low instead of having huge backup amounts in your pantry. Clear containers make food easier to see and helps you prevent waste. You can quickly identify what needs to be used before it expires. You could put a little label with the expiration date on the bottom. Now, here are some refrigerator items that are good in clear bins. Yogurt, cheese sticks, produce, drink pouches, especially produce because we tend to forget it in the drawers and then it goes to waste. So use those clear refrigerator bins to create zones. Have a snack zone, a lunch making zone, produce zone. Everyone in the family can find what they need quickly. Now, some freezer items that should be in clear bins: frozen vegetables, frozen fruit, perhaps freezer meals. Now, the freezer is kind of challenging. I pre-cook most of my vegetables and meats and rice and all of that, and I freeze it so that all I have to do is warm it up. Mine are in clear baggies. Clear freezer safe bins prevent food from getting lost in the back of your freezer. Now, some bathroom items: toiletries, hair accessories, makeup, travel-sized products, first aid supplies. Grouping similar items together makes morning routines much easier. Medication storage. Over-the-counter medications, store medications safely according to manufacturer's recommendations, though. Use categories such as pain relievers in this container, cold medicine, allergy medicine, digestive support, like items together. In your laundry room, you might have your laundry pods or dryer sheets, stain removers. Clear containers make inventory easy to track. Now, your office supplies would be pens, markers, sticky notes, chargers, batteries. When everything has a home, You spend less time searching. Now, in the craft room, paint supplies, ribbon, beads, scrapbooking materials. In my home, there are things that I don't want to see, and I have bins that are not clear. But if I know that I'll forget the item exists, or if it looks pretty with lots of color in a clear container, that is what I put in clear containers. Anything that I'll forget and anything that looks pretty in a clear container. So, clear bins work especially well because colors and supplies remain visible. Sewing supplies. You might keep your thread, fabric scraps, and sewing notions in a clear bin. Small clear containers prevent tangles and confusion. Children's toys, building blocks, action figures, small toys, especially those small toys. Children are more likely to clean up when they can easily see where the items belong. Now, here are some school supplies that you might keep in clear bins: pencils, crayons, markers, glue sticks. Homework becomes easier when supplies are organized. Pet supplies might be the treats, the toys, grooming supplies. A dedicated pet station saves time every day. Garage storage. You might keep your screws and nails in clear jars. Picture hanging supplies, small tools, those things that are hard to find when you need them, that tend to be hiding. Clear containers with labels to quickly locate these pieces of hardware. Now, holiday decorations, ornaments, lights, holiday crafts. Create clear bins make seasonal deck easier. Gift wrap supplies like ribbon, gift tags, tissue paper, gift tags. Everything stays together and ready to use. Your hobby supplies. We already kind of talked about, your craft supplies. So this may fall into that same category, art supplies, collectibles, project materials, anything that you want to keep visible but dust free. Dedicated containers prevent unfinished projects from spreading throughout the house. Photos and keepsakes. Use archival safe containers for photographs and sentimental items. These containers help protect memories while keeping them organized. When not to use clear containers. Clear containers are helpful, but they are not perfect for every space, for every item. Avoid using them when visible clutter becomes overwhelming. For highly decorative spaces, for items sensitive to light exposure, when opaque containers better match your design style. Sometimes baskets, drawers, or cabinets create a calmer visual environment. Common mistakes. Mistake number one: buying containers before decluttering. Always declutter first so you know how many bins you'll actually need, because bins can be clutter as well if you have them stacked up and you just don't need them. I'm an organizer. I have empty bins in my garage in case I need them for a client. And it looks like clutter in my garage because I have so many of them. So in your home, that's the way it would look. Mistake number two: using containers that are too large. Oversized containers often become junk collectors. Mistake number three: skipping labels. Always label your containers. Even clear containers benefit from labels. Mistake number four: creating overly complicated systems. Simple systems are easier to maintain. ADHD-friendly organizing tips are: if you have ADHD or live with someone who does, use clear containers whenever possible. Keep frequently used items visible. Label everything. Reduce steps required to put items away, and store items where they are used, like toast with the toaster, toothbrush with the toothpaste. Those are items that you already know, but there are a lot of things that need to be put together. The easier system is, the more likely it will get maintained and reset. Now, the best places to label. Always label pantry, refrigerator, use labels in your pantry, refrigerator, freezer, craft supplies, office supplies, garage hardware, holiday storage. Labels help everyone in the household maintain the system. Budget friendly, clear container sources are Dollar Tree, Walmart, Target, Sam's Club, possibly. I know Sam's Club does have them, Costco does have them, and of course, Amazon. Start small and build your system over time. Now, which area of your home needs clear containers the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, share it with a friend who loves organization or needs organization. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.